When you want to adopt your spouse's child, one of the important issues to resolve is whether or not the other parent, whose rights will be terminated by the adoption, is willing to consent. Regardless of whether the other parent is willing to consent, the other parent's rights have been terminated, or the other parent has disappeared and has not been involved with your stepchild for quite some time, you have some options. If the other parent is willing to consent or his or her rights have been terminated, then the process is fairly simple and our attorneys can work with you and your family and the other parent to complete all the paperwork that is necessary to complete the adoption and prepare you for the final adoption hearing. In cases where the other parent has disappeared or has not been involved at all, the process is more complicated and will require additional steps to complete. Our attorneys know the steps that we need to take in order to solidify your legal relationship with your stepchild, and we don't cut corners or miss the necessary steps. If the other parent does not appear for the hearing despite all the steps taken to notify him or her, then the adoption will be granted. Sometimes a parent who has been missing for some time appears for the hearing or files an answer ahead of the hearing. When that happens, the judge will appoint an attorney to represent the child, and we will move forward with preparing for what can be a longer and more difficult trial process. It is important that you have an experienced adoption attorney representing you, even if you initially think the other parent will consent or won't show up for the final adoption hearing. At our firm, adoptions are one of our favorite practice areas, and we would be honored to have the opportunity to help you and your family establish a new beginning. I'm Amber James, founder of New Beginnings Family Law. If you're facing divorce or other family law matters such as child support, child custody, adoption, and more, we want to help.
New life, new directions, new beginnings.